What's up, everybody? Welcome to this episode of Sunday Driver. Today we're back again with Ryan, and we've got the Tacoma ready to go. We're gonna do some off-roading. We have the front end all clearanced up, gotten out here to the desert, doing some off-roading. What's the sound of that air?
Really hot air. That's precise. You need to?
Yeah, I probably will. I don't know how well this is going to pick up on camera, but this part down here is pretty steep. Here we go.
What's my line?
Choose it carefully.
The truck chooses it.
Is this a Cadillac? Or is it
It's a Bentley.
Oh. Oh! Here we go.
Commander.
That's so steep. Oh. First and low. Alright, so on our way to the next trail, we just came across a legendary location. I've seen pictures of this place so many times, and I knew that it was close, but I never knew exactly where it was. But out in the desert, there's these random, just sculptures of random critters all over the place, and they're huge, and they're awesome. Let's go check them out.
Yeah, let's go.
Look at this thing, man. And it's huge. Trip, this whole thing, it looks like fur, but it's metal pieces. Here we have arrived at the coup de grace, the #1. Look at this thing. Just swimming right out of the desert.
They call these sand weirs.
It's quiet out here. A little too quiet. Oh! Okay, I found the best one yet. I thought that the serpent was it, but I was wrong. This is it. Look at this thing. I need this in my backyard. Look at this guy. Killing it, man. Brawling. Oh, walking the road. Oh no. Bring it around town. Bring it around. Wheeling it. Crawling.
Crawling now. Still 2-wheel drive.
What can't this truck do?
Be quiet.
All right, first trail down. We're looking for our next one. We're down by the trailhead.
The whole canyon.
Where are we going?
We got Horse Camp Road.
So there's us.
But maybe we could also go down. I don't know. There's lots of options.
All right, looks like this is the route. Starting down here at Horse Camp Road and going all the way up there. It's the freeway.
Hell yeah, brother.
Let's go!
Little first gear guy. Look at the load behind.
There's nothing this truck can't do. Here's the wash. Beautiful river. What?
Yeah, side by side.
Hit the bank.
Connect all of those. Boy on the rock.
Descending to the rock garden.
Hot session.
We made it.
We made it.
That was close. So loud. You got this?
Looks pretty easy. Looks like Deer Canyon.
All right, so we had to get the money shot of the day. There's like the little wash that run right through here and then the trail coming through it, but there's a big like ramp to the side, so we're gonna have him post up halfway on it and hopefully get the shot. Round two. Yeah. Post it up at like the highest point. So get like your front wheel right here. Money shot. What's the route?
More angle. I think we should go more a little bit like that. So.
All right, let's see it.
Am I hitting my bumper up on the bank?
No.
Go up? No.
No.
Okay.
It's like a skate park for trucks. Tacoma, the undefeated champion. That's what I'm talking about.
That can we see it on that?
Yeah. Okay, Ryan, how are we feeling about that hill right there?
Looking pretty big.
That is that's definitely a big one.
That's looking like a pro-sized hill right there.
Can we do it?
I don't really want to air my tires down. So 5 PSI. That's my friend over there.
Nice. Fellow Offroader?
Yeah. Me and Clive go way back.
I could tell. Oh god.
They probably look like such coops out here.
This hill's more our size. Drop her into low.
Drop her into low. Never go over a hill you can't see. Oh, we're up here.
Killing the whoop section.
We're going high speed through here.
Driving into the sun. Oh, never mind. Yeah, I think that's probably the limits of two-wheel drive. Oh my god. No hands.
No hands, Bob.
Set it to autopilot. Okay, autopilot engaged.
Speed up autopilot. Look at its steering.
Autopilot is pretty good on this hill.
It's actually a Tesla. This is a Cybertruck.
Weird Tesla. Alright, I think we found the spot. No whoops, no rocks. Just climbing in hills. Let's hit it. You gotta choose your line.
Choose your line carefully.
Here we go. Oh, where does it go?
Where does it go?
Oh, it goes to the right, over this way. Look at this berm up here.
Oh, we're gonna hit that for sure.
Oh! This probably looks so much less gnarly on camera than it actually is. Like, this is so steep. Top of the rock.
Top of the rock I'm at first.
Sizing up his foe. Okay, here comes the hard part. Oh, can he do it? Oh, little tire spinach. Tacoma, undefeated. It's so steep.
So we're standing up.
Yeah. Dude, look at this berm right here. This one is pretty steep. All you can see is sky. You think you got it?
Yeah.
All right. Okay, so we found the steepest one in this park. We're gonna see what he can do going up it. Well, that was too easy. He just sent it right up there. We need something harder for this truck. Tackle anything. Dude, this thing's too good. It doesn't care.
Little goat.
All right, and that's a wrap. I want to say thanks to everybody for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and thanks to Ryan for taking it out. Hopefully we get to do some more off-road stuff in the future and see more of his truck as well. Thanks again, that's it.